Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Today I will show you how to edit and remove checkout page billing information. By default, WooCommerce not allowed to edit and remove their field. So for do this, we need to install a plugin. So let's go to see how to do this. First of all, I need to go on my website dashboard. So you see this is my website dashboard and add new plugin. So I will search on this plugin. On this plugin dashboard, checkout manager. You see checkout manager for WooCommerce, and this plugin is very useful to do this. I have searched on this and used lot of plugin for edit WooCommerce checkout page, but others plugin not familiar with this and we have faced some issue with this. You can use this plugin and I hope you are have a security good result on your website. So let's go to do this. I will install this plugin on my website and activate it. uh, this plugin is already activated on my website WooCommerce direct checkout WooCommerce checkout manager. So here I am able to go this plugin settings. So now I am click to this WooCommerce setting option. So I will show you how to edit this. There is a lot of information: checkout, billing, shipping, additional order. You are use this all function for your WooCommerce website, but today I want just edit my billing information, remove my billing information on my WooCommerce checkout page. So I will click on this billing information. Here this field option, because first I have this first name, last name, company name, filling address. Because if I going on my address, you see first name, last page, country, state address, and lot of field. So first we will check how to edit this field. So now I am check this my first name option to remove this full name. Okay, so I will edit this and remove this text to first name to full name. Okay, I will rename this first name to full name. This is placeholder text, so I don't want to show any placeholder text. That's why I have put in petty field here. So if you want to add any text on here as a placeholder text, you can put this text on this field. So I hope you understand. Now I have renamed this first name to full name. Okay, so I'll rename this full name for checkout pages. So let's go to check this. So I'll check this first name to full name option. uh you see this name is already renamed it first name to full name. So I hope you understand. So also now I want to remove this other option because I don't need to last name option. This is the full name, last name. You see full name and this is the last name. So I don't need this last name option though, so that I can remove this last name option on there and click on this save change options. And so let's go to see this updated view. So now I refresh my checkout page. You see my last name option is already removed. I hope you understand how to edit your checkout field through this plugin. And also if you want to remove all this frame here, you don't need any checkout field there, then please disable all this information. Now I'll disable all this information from here. Okay, I will remove disable all this option on here because I don't need any information, billing information on my website. So I will disable all this information, and after that I will click on this save change options. So let's go to this checkout page as for see this updated view. Now I click on this save change. You see all this winning all information already removed it. So after that I'm able to hide this text with custom css. I hope you understand how can I do this. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel to see more videos like that. Thank you.